These are my homegrown organic strawberries, and it's the time of year to harvest and turn them into delicious recipe. Shame some of these fruits were eaten by insects and birds. First we need to give them a good wash and soak in salt water for a good reason. Without soaking in salt water, you might get extra protein that you don't want in your compote. Insect larvae. Don't think you want them in your compote. After soaking in salt water, rinse them and cut off the strawberry top. Cut all the strawberries into pieces. I will then start with adding 4 teaspoons of brown sugar. The amount of sugar is down to personal preferences. Don't have to be very precise as we are not making jam. These lovely fruits are freshly picked from the plant. They have intense fragrance and sweetness. It will be good idea to taste the strawberry beforehand, so you know the actual taste of the fruit before seasoning them.
Let's fire up and start making our strawberry compote.
While the pot is heating up, start stirring the strawberries and sugar will start to melt. There are other recipes that add in lemon or lime juice to give that tanginess. But I want to preserve that fresh strawberry fragrant taste as original as possible. Let it simmer for a few minutes. When it starts boiling, turn the fire to medium-low heat setting and keep stirring to make sure the bottom doesn't burn. While stirring, let's give it a bit of pressing and crushing. I normally add this strawberry compote to yogurt, therefore I prefer it to be softer but still preserve some texture in it. Pour the compote into glass jar or glass tub. You will see foam on top of the layer. They are just air bubbles trapped with compote mixture. Now just leave it to cool down. After the compote is cooled down, put the lid on and store in the fridge. It can stay fresh in the fridge for around 5 to 6 days, but I guess this little tub won't stay more than 3 days in my fridge. 召し上がれ. Please like and subscribe to follow my channel.